recognition of academic achievements, but also a celebration of perseverance, faith, and the collective support of family, friends, and the community. As a parent, seeing both my sons reach this milestone fills me with pride and hope for the bright future that lie ahead. Today is a day of celebration, not for my two sons, but for everyone who has walked alongside in this journey. Standing here, I am filled with gratitude, pride, and joy as I honor the achievements of my sons who have now graduated as aircraft maintenance engineers. When we first come to Bahrain, my boys were just 7 and 10. Still children. They are full of curiosity and dreams. Over the years, I watched them grow into fine young men, disciplined, hardworking, and compassionate. Then, this journey was not always easy, but they faced every challenge with courage and determination. And today, they stand ready to soar not just in their careers, but also in life. As you can see, I raised them alone here in Bahrain. Many might think that the road was so challenging or difficult. But I can truly say that I was never alone. My church mates and friends became my extended family. Our GM pastors, headed by Pastor Ignar, Pastor Rene, and Pastor Jaime, other elders in GM, and our other brethren, they offered support, encouragement, and love that carried us through. To all of you, I say thank you from the bottom of my heart for being part of our family and for being part of our story. To my sons, you are every parent's dream, loving, respectful, and dedicated. You made my role as a mother lighter and my heart fuller. I am proud not only of your academic success, but of the men you have become. You remind me every day that with faith, perseverance, and love, anything is possible. Graduation is not the end, it is the beginning. As you step into the world of aviation, remember that the values you carry, faith, humility, and kindness are your wings. May you rise high and only in your profession, not only in your profession, but in your character. And may you always remember the roots that nurtured you. So once again, congratulations, my sons. This is your day, but it is also ours. Together, we have proven that family is not defined only by blood, but by love, faith, and community. And today we celebrate not just your success, but the beautiful journey that brought us here. Thank you, and God bless us all.
Thank you very much, Ma'am Jen, for that very emotional message. Pati po ako naiyak. Okay, as we proceed on the next part of our program, buffet area to have your delicious dinner. Okay, may I start with table number 2?
Photo.
Please, on stage.
Saan mag-take photo?
Baka bigla tayo dito.
May pausap pa.
Di, by table.
By table. Di masulod sa
Tawag-tawag dyan.
film.
By table.
Sige na.
By table na.
Sama niya na si Gobernador dyan.
Si Gobernador. Nandun pala si Gobernador eh.
Evans, dapat nandun ka.
Sama niya na si Gobernador
Okay.
dyan.
Table number 4. Table number 4. Table number 4, please.
Ayun na. Oh, nag-go pala po.
Table number 3 and 4.
Sa Gia pala si Ate Weng, si Ate Jennifer sa Gia. Gia. Jesus is alive. Sa ano nga itong palaruan? Adhari. Nandun ang church. Sa palabas. Yung pala pastor. Kaya pala sarap, pastor pala yung lang.
Table number 8.
Gia pala yun. Sa Gia pala siya.
Yeah. Jesus is alive, no?
Jesus is alive.
Kailan ko pa ano? Tapos ko pa ano? Papunta ko na ko sa tubudin. Tapos na ko pa.
Tumingin si Omar kay Kuya Gob. Akala nakatingin sa kanya. Pinaling ni Kuya Gob yung bata. Nakakaya na, nakikikain pa. Nagpipiesta. Imbis na magtuksa ka talaga. Sa amin hindi talaga yan. Basta hindi ka pwede gumano kahit ano. Hanggang sa pasyam. Hanggang sa pasyam ka pwede magsaya. Kala ko ba nalulungkot? Ikaw natin yung mag-treasurer. Ikaw na mag-treasurer. Election, mag-election tayo sa ako. Nalita daw yung pera. Bakit sa akin? Alam mo naman, maldita ako.
Pwede na po tayo magkape. Magkape-kape na lang. Ramadan natin.
Ali, may fasting food. Ano, totoo, wow. Magpapayat ko ng kengkayi. Magpa-sexy ko pa subayo.
Sexy pa. Sige po.
Sige lang, Neng, sige lang.
Pag ako naman po, kakain ngayon, di ba? Open na po ang ating buffet. So, pwede na po kayo mag-start.
Paunahin muna sila. Paunahin na muna natin sila. Ate!
Uy, ito pala mga sulalay ko.
Yes, siyempre. Ito kami mga julalay mo, no? Tingnan mo naman magaganda ng mga julalay mo. Hindi kami nakapambahay lang. Sinabi ng mga julalay namin party. Yeah, nakapambahay lang. Correct. Gusto mo magtanggal ako?
Sayang yan.
Naka-sleeveless siya.
Kagaya niyan. Ate yan, tingnan mo.
Naman!
Akala mo si Jezebel.
Baka manigas sila dyan eh. Bakit ang aking kaseksihan? Kaya nga nagbabalik alindog ako eh.
Ilang hours fasting?
Tingin.
Ilang hours fasting? 18.
Ano? Balik na mukha. Salbahing. Salbahing mainam. Salbahing inam. Grabe siya.
Wala na, let's go.
Kunain na sila.
Kunain na sila.
Tayo na ba?
Kunain mo ang bana, oh?
O, inuha ng bana, o. Talika na.
Hindi lang ay. Suot ka. Suot.
Kuha kanina. Upon
Oo.
klaro.
Sandig lang.